Expand the Course Information module and pick the Template Setup page. Click the AutoCAD templates.zip file to link to download. Select Open with Windows Explorer. Pick the Extract All tool and browse to your Documents folder. Create a new folder. I called mine My AutoCAD Templates. Click into your new folder. Pick the Extract button to finish. Open AutoCAD. You might have to have a file open to see the Options button in the application menu. Select the Files tab. Move down the list to Template Settings. Expand the drawing template file location. Highlight the path and pick the Browse button. Browse to your new folder with your templates. Confirm the path. Expand the default template file name for the QNew. Browse to the inch template file. Always start your projects with one of these template files depending on which unit of measure you are working with.